Hello and welcome to this video. Today we're diving into how to invest safely in cryptocurrencies and stocks. Investing can be a fantastic way to grow your wealth, but it comes with its risks. We'll walk through some crucial steps to ensure you're informed and safe as you begin investing. Step 1. Basics of investing. Investing is about placing your money in assets with the expectation that their value will increase. This could be in the form of company stocks or cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Strategies vary from long-term investing, where you hold on to assets for an extended period, to day trading, which involves buying and selling frequently to capitalize on short-term gains. Step 2. Do your own research. Always do your own research before investing. Inform yourself about the companies or cryptocurrencies of interest. Look at their performance and stay up to date with the latest news. Reliable sources such as official websites, white papers, and expert analyses are invaluable. Step 3. Choose a safe broker or exchange. Selecting a trustworthy broker or exchange is crucial. For crypto, consider platforms like Binance or Coinbase. For stocks, eToro and Dero are popular choices. Pay attention to factors like low fees, user-friendliness, and most importantly, safety. Always check if the broker is regulated and read reviews from other users. Step 4. Manage risks. Investing always bears risks, but these can be managed. Diversification is key. Spread your investments across different assets to mitigate risk. Only invest money you can afford to lose, and set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Avoid making impulsive decisions driven by emotions or hype. Step 5. Avoid common mistakes. Lastly, let's cover some common mistakes to avoid. Never go all in on a single investment, no matter how promising it seems. Refrain from chasing after hype without solid research. Be wary of scams. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always conduct your research and stay critical. That's it for this video on investing safely in crypto and stocks. Hopefully, you now have a clearer understanding of what it involves. Subscribe for more financial tips and don't forget to leave your questions in the comments. Until next time.